In this video, we'll talk about how to know if a truss is rigid. A key concept you need to understand before using the Ritter method. Let's start from the very beginning. A single bar is rigid, it can move as a whole, but its length stays the same. When we connect two bars, they can rotate around their joint. That means the system is not rigid, it can deform without stretching any bar. But once we add a third bar and form a triangle, everything locks in place. So let's see the three basic propositions that help us decide when a truss is stable and when it isn't. Let's start with the first proposition. If a truss is formed by a simple arrangement of triangles, it is rigid. When we add diagonals and create triangles inside a frame, the structure becomes stable. Let's move on to proposition 2. If two rigid parts are connected by three bars that don't pass through the same point, the whole system becomes rigid. Now let's look at a few examples to really understand proposition 2. In each case, the blue bars form the rigid parts, and the red bars connect them. We'll see when the system is rigid, and then we'll apply the Ritter cut to each example. In this first example, we have one rigid part, a blue triangle, connected through the red bars 3, 5, and 2 to another rigid bar. According to proposition 2, since the two rigid parts are joined by three bars that don't pass through the same point, the system is rigid. Now, let's make the Ritter cut through those three red bars. In the second example, we have a simple arrangement of blue triangles connected to another triangle through the red bars 6, 9, and 5. Just like before, these three bars link the two rigid parts in different directions, which means the system is rigid according to proposition 2. Now, let's apply the Ritter cut through the red bars. In this third example, we have two blue triangles connected through the red bars 2, 9, and 3. The three connecting bars do not pass through the same point. So according to proposition 2, the whole system is rigid. Here, we make the Ritter cut through the red bars. Let's move on to proposition 3. If three rigid parts are connected in pairs by two bars, and those pairs of bars intersect at points that are not on the same line, the whole system becomes rigid. Here we have one blue triangle and two groups of triangles connected in pairs by two red bars. The pairs of bars intersect at points that are not on the same line. So according to proposition 3, the whole system is rigid. In this special case, we have three rigid parts: ABC, IGH, and EFDG. Each pair of them is connected by two bars. The triangle ABC connects with IGH through bar 1. And with the ground through the hinges at points A and G. It also connects with EFDG through bars 2 and 3. While IGH connects with EFDG through bars 4 and 5. Since all three rigid parts are connected in pairs by two bars, the whole structure is rigid, exactly as stated in proposition 3. That's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more structural mechanics tips.